welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we go outside and we decided to eat something, and we ended here in a small cafeteria near to our work, and we will show you what our food. Okay po? How big?
Chicken tikka,
We mean how big is the platter?
कितना बड़ा हो गया?
How is one like this only?
करना तो चलेगा क्योंकि अभी जैसा एक वैसा लाइक स्टिक रहेगा
It's going to be like each every one, like one, like one chick. ऐसा.
ऐसा रहेगा उसके साथ में विंग्स भी रहेगा.
It's going to be like this, but with the wings. If it's less, we will order something else, na. Let's
Yeah,
see.
we will see.
If it's less, we will order something.
Me that one.
For you, more than enough.
Okay.
That's why I know you don't bother. She did not bother.
Me ayun.
Where did you buy this? Did they?
Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.
Nice. Kill him.
Naka-video na ba? Naka-video na pala, Mars.
Yes.
Kanina pa ba?
Hindi.
You make baby na. You make baby with me. You want same like Chinese or big eye?
Like this.
Okay, if coming the baby outside, we will, stitch the eye so the...
Ayan, next.
Thank you.
You like?
She likes
Me only.
Andiyo mo naman yun.
Fine.
Ito. Ayun o. Medyo po tayo, ha?
There is salt, no? Hindi ko
Naka-on na. Sino ba nag-on?
Why now?
So, this is avocado for you, Ate Cha. The kiwi for Miss Joy from South Africa.
No.
This
From
is the
Uganda.
sweet melon
Ay, parang masarap.
for Carl, and from
Sige.
Afghanistan. From Pakistan. From Pakistan.
Ate.
Parang gusto na niyang umalis sa mundo. Nung sinabi mo Afghanistan.
When you use this one, no need to use water.
I want to visit Afghanistan.
No, that's for... Wala mo.
Ay, hawakan ba? Cheers, like this? Ganyan ba?
Yung just
Yan.
ayoko makatayo mukha ni Garden.
10
You
minutes.
go work without shower?
10 minutes it takes me.
Shower?
10 minutes, yes. I'm not a lady. I'm not you. Yes. 10,
And then ka lang, and then go ra.
10 minutes here, only. 7 minutes, not even 10 minutes. On scooter.
Because when I take shower, I sing. Let it go, let it go. Like this.
You sound like, you know that cartoon, Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Yeah.
You know that one? You know Alvin and the
Okay.
Chipmunks, right?
Hindi mo ganun boses ko. Oy.
You know, right? Alvin and the Chipmunks. He sounds like them.
No, my voice is very beautiful. Ito na nga ang chismis.
Ano?
Gusto nyo ba ng chismis?
Bilihan mo habang wala pa.
Loka, nakabili.
They will share.
So here's our food.
You will take also.
You want?
So this is Navin. Navin is from Pakistan. He will explain. So Navin, this food is from which? This from Arabic.
It's from India.
This food?
Yes.
I think there's also Arabic food like this, same
I
like
don't know. I
this.
haven't tried Arabic.
So this is what? Combination of
Kebab, chicken.
kebab,
Why is the
chicken,
picture have
motor,
ano?
lamb.
Have lamb?
lamb.
Yeah.
Is it grilled,
Yes,
Navin?
yes,
Ayun.
it's totally grilled.
In the picture,
Grilled.
there's a lamb with bone. Where's that?
Yeah,
That's the one
maybe
I'm
the big
asking.
one.
Wait, I will check with them.
So we are ordered additional rice for Ate Cha.
Thank you.
And Joy, she don't like the kebab and everything nice. So she ordered her own biryani. Joy, you like the biryani?
Yes, go.
So much or little?
What, lamb, right? What you asking?
Yeah,
Lamb.
lamb with bone. The lamb
Lamb? नहीं है इसमें lamb, mutton.
And then the sauces are here. I think this is
No, in small they don't give lamb.
you don't tell naman.
what is this? The garlic mayo and what's
Garlic
this?
mayo and hummus.
Hummus. So hummus is made of what?
Chickpeas.
Oh, chickpeas. I don't know. There's no chickpeas in the Philippines. And the salad na kinuha na mga carrots. And we also have the juices. The kiwi. I ordered kiwi. And then this is this sweet melon, right?
That's right.
The avocado.
You make the video, we finish the food.
Yeah, you eat na. Pakainin na mga mga bagets. So which additional food you order? And we have the kubus. Where's the kubus? You eat all? Okay. So here in UAE, in Arabic country, we are eating actually this one. They love this one, the kubus. Or in Tagalog, bread. Flat bread. Right, Ate Cha? Ang lapit na mukha ko, ha? Nakita na yung mga pimples. So let's eat na. This is Joy. This is Carl. And this is Navin. And this is Madam Charlene. Charlene. Ito plus Charlene. Madam Charo Santos.
Hardin.
So let's eat na.
Kain na.
So let's eat.
Anything else? All okay? Not spicy, right? Not spicy, right?
We will check.
No.
Is it spicy? Carl? No. Joe, is it spicy? No. Very good.
Thank you.
They agree. It's not spicy. Tomorrow
This one.
we will try the spicy. Okay.
Okay.
Shut up.
She thinks spicy.
The bread is falling down in the London.
Why you sound like that? Everybody got scared. मैं भी डर गया था क्या आवाज है क्या आवाज है डर गया बस even they got scared
Ang sarap.
biryani sir
Martin po. Magkano ka na? Tapos magkano.
not spicy
How about this one?
This one spicy.
not
This one.
spicy I don't haven't tried
Uy, Joey, try this.
Joy, you try the grilled meat.
Masarap yung mami.
whole day
So we're done eating here at the cafeteria. What's the name of the cafeteria?
Fresh burger.
It's Fresh Burger, but we didn't eat burger.
I don't understand also.
So are you happy, guys? Are you full?
Yeah.
Lavin, are you full? Not yet. Yeah, you look so thin pa din. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will like this video and subscribe. Please press the notification button and subscribe button.
And the bell icon.
That's not the bell icon, it's a coconut icon. Thank you, bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah! Oh, bye-bye na kayo. Bye! Joy! See? She's walking alone there. Joy! Say bye-bye. We cannot see you. It's so dark. So, bye-bye na, bye-bye.